All right, this is highlights from Friday's trading at greatstockpicks.com live trading chat room. One of the highlights from today was MMI. These are 5-minute candles. I love the way this thing gapped up. It's been pretty beaten up here, so the gap was interesting and had nice volume. Crazy move, like $1.50 in the first 5 minutes. I'm never going to just tell our chat room members, hey, grab this at the open, because anything can happen. It could have just rolled over too. So try to let things settle down and make the intelligent calls, and that's what we did with MMI. Called it, these are 5-minute candles after it kind of broke over this little base here. 25.52 trigger. Stop was 23 cents below, a little bit wide, but you can see this made it all the way to 27. That's a $1.48 move without ever looking back at our stop or even at a break-even entry. So a $1.48 move on 23 cents risk. Very nice one there. EXPPE, I called very early, 24.77, about 10 minutes in, right here. Worst case stop, 13 cents below, and you can see this one never looked back either. An 82-cent move in our favor on 13 cents risk. That never got stopped out. Also popped in during lunch and told everybody that this OSK, which has been beaten up, this base was pretty interesting for a possible break above it. And that was just not using the announcements feature. That was me just typing into chat without the pop-up window, but we still had members take it above this base. And the trigger was 30.85, and you can see this one grinding its way higher. It's at 31.41 now. There's still about 12 minutes left in the session. So, and the stop from 38.85, probably about 12 cents below. Never stopped out. So that's not, it wasn't an official call, but a nice mention that yielding some nice profits as well. ETN, you know I like these big sell-offs here. Also mentioned ETN. I'm sorry, not a mention. ETN was an actual call at 53.62. You know we love to play these sell-offs. Stop was about a dime below, 53.62. Not a huge move, but it did make it to 54.04. So it's still 38, over a 40-cent move on a dime risk here. It doesn't look like much, but you know what? That can still put money in your pocket when you're sitting there trying to find some trades. And it looks maybe boring, but again, a 40-cent move on a dime risk still puts money in your pocket. But some real nice ones today in MMI. Again, the entry right about here, stop right about here, never got hit, and made a nice move again, $1.48 or something like that. And EXPPE as well. Entry was right there. I think the stop was probably right there. Anyway, have a great weekend, and I know I didn't get out a free pick this week, by the way. I fully intend to next week. I actually had a day off in the middle of the week. Things just got away from me, so we will send out a free pick next week. Maybe we'll try to get 2 out since we didn't do one this week. So anyway, have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you next week.